Sitting on there like ice cream. Huh? Got overhang, cocksucker. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ain't much of a mood after all that bullshit, really. Man, I don't know how I didn't fuck something up on that truck. I don't know how. Fucking rock. Man, by rights I should have fucking pulled that fucking front tire and slap off the fucking goddamn deal. Oh well, we got it. Here we are. Nothing got busted up, so stop fucking crying about it and keep going. Once you get it on the fucking ground, then you can do whatever you want. Juice it up. See, I can see right side behind me, so walk back. You know, usually you want to get this up in the air so you can see everything. I can see everything. Ain't nothing back here to really get in the way. God damn it, man. I'll be honest with you, I don't care if I block the fucking road or not, man. They can do what they gotta do. I'm gonna put the motherfucker right here. There you go. Thanks for all your help, cocksuckers, and bam!